Cara today, October 5th. And she's Swiffering the floors. Come on, go, Swiffer. Go. Yeah. Yeah. Go, Swiffer. Perfect, huh? Work off your dinner meal. The floors are clean. Everybody happy? Good job, Grandma taught her that. Huh? Go! You're just so funny. Go. Cara, remember this when you're like 15 years old, okay?
Oh, don't touch that.
Ew. Go, Swiffer.
Push.
Go, push.
Push.
Go. Go, Cara. I'm gonna show Daddy this. Daddy's gonna be so happy he don't have to clean the floors.
All right.
Huh? Good thing we taught the baby how to do it.
On the carpet.
On the carpet too, huh? Hi. Okay, go over here. It's hard to move this out with the carpet, okay? Here, let's go. Go. Yeah, go. Go, Cara. Go. Swiffer. Swiffer. Oh, those are Mommy's donations. Should we put on Craigslist for $5?
No, please.
Huh? For one
That's Salvation Army.
yeah.